fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? Out here doing something I ain't done a day or two. We fishing. I will have to show you the front of his boat. It looks like a damn spaceship now. Well, I mean, you can see over here too. Y'all just look at that shit. He still can't catch no fucking fish. But we finna go out here and try.
Learning curve.
You can put $10,000 worth of electronics on the front of one and still not catch fish. We'll show you how that today. Alright. I'm gonna do a bunch of baits that I've bought over the winter too. Alright. Catch you here in a minute. Midday update. We ain't caught nothing and the hangover sucks. I did a little video on the hangover and it sucks. Okay, I don't never ask for anything from the lifers, but if any of y'all are anywhere and y'all see some GoPro Hero 9s for less than $150, let me know. I need 3 of them, bad. So if y'all see them, y'all are out and about at like your local Chinese mart, Walmart, see if they've got any, check for me. You'll have to ask them, they'll have to open the box. Alright, I appreciate it. They're in the electronics too. If you're undereducated like me, that's where I find them at. Alright, I'll come back when we start catching some fish.
Bigger. That fish is heavy. Yeah. You got it out here?
Oh yeah.
Now I know where they won the tournament at. I know where they won the tournament.
They're putting it on. Fucking Irish.
Go ahead, you don't care. put the one that's posted here. You have 15 pounds, but try it in. Pretty close, you know?
Alright, lifers. Boatner's caught a few. I've made some funny videos today. I think he's caught 5. Now, 4 of them were cheap fish. They were on damn umbrella rig, A-rig, whatever you want to call it. I just don't throw those. I mean, they just, you know, I'm not into the cheating game like he is. I mean, he got this bastard up there. So, yeah, he's watching them live. It's like a video game playing with a cheap bait. I don't do that. That's just not the way I roll.
Oh, there's a lot of fish out there.
But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna wind up getting 2 out of it. One about the drunk bastard. I mean the hangover, whatever you want to call it. I may get suspended from YouTube or somewhere over that shit. Ben Milliken is so full of shit. His breath stinks like a turd. I promise you. That bait, he's never caught a fish on it ever. Ever. I got 2 baits. That's all. Alright, lifers. Like, share, subscribe. I had to make a video for y'all to watch. It's been a minute. And there'll be some more to come, I promise.